Hi GFA friends! Let's watch our chit chat with
Gia,
Paulina,
and Evie.
Woo! Ask you question by the comment first, okay? When do Gia meet Mega?
The first time I met Mega was at the Kovo competition with the Korean girls. When I first arrived in Korea, we went to watch the Kovo tournament. So it wasn't the V-League, it was Kovo with only the Korean girls, no foreigners. And it was really fun to watch, and that's when I got to meet Mega for the first time. And we sat together in the stadium and watched the game with Sol, our translator. But before going to Korea, I think I messaged Mega, or she messaged me, and I asked her how was Korea, and she said, "Oh, it's very fun. I'm excited for you to come." So first was, I think, Instagram, then was Kobo.
Next question. What is your first impression about Indonesia? Who wants to answer first?
I can go first. I've
Okay.
been here the longest, I guess. I've been in Indonesia for 1 month now, and so far I've had very, very positive experience. I think we keep saying this over and over, but that's what it is. The people here are very friendly, welcoming, and positive. They always have fun no matter what, and I think just the culture is so different, but that's what makes it so much fun, because we will already learn so much throughout this whole month, just exploring the culture, exploring Indonesia. Traveling to different cities also helps so much, like learning about culture, so it's been a lot of fun.
Woo! Love. Evie.
My first impression? My first impression isn't that long ago. I just arrived.
4 days ago.
4 days ago. Indonesian baby.
So yeah, my first impression is great so far. I'm having a great time. I'm really enjoying the start of this experience. But yeah, I have nothing bad to say. Really amazing. I really like the team here. I really like the girls. Can't wait to see some more.
And my first impression, you never really know what to expect when you go to a different country. I mean, all of us can attest, like, I've kind of become just really open to the differences when I go to a new place. So this time I had a really long season, and I was kind of in like a cloud. Like, I'm traveling to Italy, then I'm going to Indonesia. So I had no expectations, and the moment I arrived, Polly arrived, Evie arrived, like, everyone is just so funny and loving and make sure all of our needs are met. Like, it's impossible to be uncomfortable here. Like, it's really impossible. They take care of everything. So, really, really good first impression.
Is there any culture shock?
I mean, yes, there's a lot of things that are different, but it's exciting. It's not a shock. It's not a culture shock, you know.
Yeah.
It's like, wow, I've never seen this before.
Yeah.
I don't know. I tried the snake fruit for the first time.
It's good, right?
It's good.
I love snake fruit.
I was like, I've never seen this. How do you eat it? I was like a child.
It's like an apple, but not.
No, but
Also,
the
people are so friendly that they're. Yeah, I didn't have a culture shock yet in the long time I've been here.
I agree. Like, the people erased the culture shock.
Yes, they took away the stress of like
Yes.
being like, oh, what's coming, and then you come and they're very.
Is there any answer for culture shock?
I mean, you guys said it, I agree 100%. And I guess the food can be a part of the culture shock, but that's how every new country is. There's going to be different foods that you're trying and they're new for you. The weather is, in a way, culture shock. I've never been in the weather with such high humidity and heat. Like, playing volleyball in this weather is different. It's in a way, culture shock. I think it's also very interesting learning about religion here, how big it is, and how you hear outside, right, all the
Prayers.
yes, the prayers and minarets. I guess I've been to Turkey before, so I've been exposed to this religion before, but again, it's a very different culture, religion that I don't have in my country, so in a way it is new.
Is it hard to adapt with the culture and new team for you guys?
Well, the girls here have been so friendly on the team that they've made it very easy to come in and start right away. I mean, it's always a challenge switching teams when you meet everyone, but the girls here have been so cool that they've made my job a lot easier to adapt, really.
Especially
And coaches too.
And the coaches,
coaches are
Mas Yudi, Mas Yudi made it so
Thank you,
easy.
thank you, thank you.
they were the best.
It's like,
untuk adapt.
talking about. Yeah, I think this is the closest I've felt to the girls so fast in any team I've ever played. For sure.
Ini tercepatnya Gia untuk bonding sama teman-teman di sini di antara semua tim yang pernah dia join.
100% agree. The Indonesian culture of friendliness is what makes it so easy.
Yeah.
Not just friendliness though, it's like playful, like playful, like making fun of each other. It like creates a really strong bond.
Is Gia tomorrow will play?
So tomorrow, I don't know if you guys have seen my Instagram or any of the updates from the league, but by the way, I'll take this opportunity to
Instagram,
Follow Gia.
by the way, follow me at
Jade, Polly, something.
2 underscores. That's 2 underscores.
Jangan lupa follow Gia __ day.
And there's 2 underscores. Also follow Paulina and Ivana.
Jangan lupa follow Gia.
Anyway, if you've seen her
If
Instagram,
you've seen my Instagram post, you would know that I have a small injury. I'm okay, but because our season is so short and I would miss too many matches, the club chose to replace me with Ivana for the rest of the season. So for the next couple weeks, I'll be rehabbing with the team, traveling with the team, supporting the team, and healing. But Ivana will play in my place from now to the end when we win the championship.
What is your favorite food in Indonesia?
Hamohe!
You have to change.
Pisang goreng is good.
Pisang goreng,
But you know
guys.
what else is good? All the soups that they're doing, soto ayam.
Soto ayam.
Ayam.
I like that.
Ya, Poli suka
Just a
soto
big
ayam.
soup girl.
Sukro.
I love soups.
Soup. Oh, soup. Soup girl.
my favorite was the oxtail soup.
Oxtail.
Sop buntut.
Sop buntut.
Sop buntut is good.
I really like bubur.
Bubur.
Bubur ayam.
No,
The sweet one.
Oh, bubur ketan. Kacang
that's the
ijo.
sweet one.
Iya, iya, iya. Kacang apa? Bubur kacang ijo.
There's one that's like whipped.
Iya. With apa sih? Coconut.
Yeah.
In Palembang, have you tried pempek, this traditional food?
No, we need to try.
Yeah, you have to try.
We need to go maybe after the game.
Maybe after the game.
What is it again?
Pempek.
Is it spicy?
Wait, let me see if I know. It's a rice cake
Ya.
filled with fish,
Made with fish.
and there's an egg inside, right?
Yes.
And then they fry it.
Yes.
And then you put like sauce on top.
Yes.
Special sauce.
Sauce. Sweet but a little bit spicy. But sometimes it's not spicy.
We need to try.
What do we consider trying? What's a little spice?
Another food. How do you call when there was like the egg, the potato, the cabbage, and you put the peanut sauce on top?
Oh yeah, it's siomay.
Somai.
Siomay. It's so good.
Ya.
Really good.
In
It's from
Bandung,
Bandung.
you can siomay and batagor. Batagor. It's the same, but batagor fried and siomay is kukus apa? Steam, ya.
Yeah.
Iya.
Roasted.
Girls.
Nenek.
Tomorrow, latihan di depan.
Di depan.
Tomorrow we have conditioning. Tomorrow morning we have conditioning. 7:30 in front. Only conditioning, but with gold. No, we go to the gym. Only front.
Only here?
Yes.
Outside.
Yes, outside. No, inside you cannot.
I don't know. There's
It's very big.
Rumah nenek.
you actually can.
can. Look, she looks there. We can
Yang
never come back
ngomong.
here.
Yang lagi ngomong.
Ya.
And we practice first and then breakfast after practice. With white.
Practice.
White.
Thank you, Nana.
Thank you nenek.
Nenek.
Everybody call me Nene.
Udah bener belum?
Assalamualaikum, Ivana.
Wait, auntie.
Nenek buyut.
Auntie. Emo.
Bude.
Imo.
Emo. It's like auntie in Korean.
Imo.
In Indonesia, auntie is bude or bule.
Tante.
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 Ya, tante.
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 Mama, papa.
Tante. Oke.
Nenek.
Nenek.
Are you gonna come back to Indo after playing?
Bah, translate di bawah. Translate.
So after playing in America, am I going to come back?
Come back. Iya.
Ayo come back to Indonesia. You.
All of us.
Bali.
I 100% promise, 100% to one day come back to play in Indonesia. I don't know if it will be after America, this next year after, but I really want to, but we'll see. It depends what happens. You guys?
I want Taiwan.
Oke guys, thank you. Kita udah lebih dari
Gianya mau Gia, Poli sama Ivana mau terapi dulu.
sampai ketemu di chat chat selanjutnya.
Dengan pemain lainnya.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Selamat malam.